Hey everyone, Morgan here. So today I am inventorying my bug out bag. I'm not going to do a whole lot of details of like what's in my bag. The last one I did was January of 2018. I know it's kind of been a little while, but I am going to show you kind of like some basic stuff that I've changed out over the past 6 months. Now I inventory my bag every 3 months. And I do that because it's less daunting to do it every 3 months than it is to do it every 6. I could do it every 6 months and, realize that there's so much more that needs to be changed out, or, maybe my skills have upgraded, or, I take this with me every time we go camping or on a road trip. So, I'm always constantly taking things in and out and actually using the contents of this bag. Now, I try to put stuff back, but sometimes I'm not successful. But anyway, so next weekend, I am doing a solo camping trip. And I'm just taking my bug out bag. So essentially, I'm kind of getting this ready for that camping trip, as well as just getting it, ready. So I carry a water bladder in here. I've gone ahead and refilled the bladder. Something that I added since my last camping trip with Baby Rogue was the Life Straw Mission. It was a huge lifesaver. And then I added this. I think I had this on my last trip though. This just goes right up here. Since Kid Rogue is getting older, I can change some of the foods that I have. She likes some mountain houses. Like, she really likes the macaroni and cheese mountain house, things like that. But what I actually do with this is I'll take half of it out, because she does not eat very much, and I can only eat like half of this. I'll take half of this out and put it in a Ziploc for later use in the day, or tomorrow, or, the next day or the day after that or whatever. And then I'll do that. So I just usually know, like, okay, if this takes 2 cups, I'll just put 1 cup for the half, right? So usually this could last us a couple days, these 3 meals. Plus, in this front pouch here, I have basically nothing but snacks. And then this pouch here, I have, this is like gum and coffee, some Ultima, some Gatorade, stuff like that. Easy access. I like to have an easy access right there. I do have hand sanitizer right there. And then I actually recently added these little binoculars. These are little Ozark Trail binoculars. They're nice and lightweight. They were about $6, and I put them right up here. Nice and easy access. So that's something that I added. Okay, so I've really only made a few changes to my BONCH. This BONCH, I added this solar panel. I'm going to be doing a review of this weekend for Sunday gear review. But I added this, and I changed out some of the food. I changed out the food just to kind of make sure that I'm going with the flow of what Kid Rogue likes, as well as what I like. I'm carrying food for both her and me. And then I transitioned this pouch to just be held for diapers and wipes. So it's nice, easy access, better organized, all that. And then I actually put together like a real hygiene kit, and I put that in here. But that's pretty much it. I have not made a ton of changes. So I am still extremely happy with this LA Police Gear Atlas bag. I love it. I think that it's perfect for me. A lot of people think it's too big for me, but it's not. I've taken this on 7+ mile hikes and been totally fine. I've never had any problem with it. I don't stuff it too full. I'm also carrying some stuff for me and for Kid Rogue, and I don't carry a ton for the dogs anymore, but I still have to make sure that they have water and all that. So there's still stuff that I'm having to additional carry it instead of just my stuff. And plus, I like to be prepared. Maybe over prepared for some people, but I like to be prepared. I like to have it and not need it instead of need it and not have it. Y'all, I don't know if I would be able to be as organized with this Prepping 365 series if it wasn't for my Rogue Preparedness Planner. I'm not trying to sell you on it. I'm trying to be completely honest here. Every single day I come to me and I say, okay, I'm going to be doing my bug out bag update inventory. And every Sunday I fill it out for the whole week. I cannot tell you how helpful and and it's made my life so stress-free. You know, it's just made it so much better because every single day I already have it planned out and I know what I'm going to do. I'm not like sitting there and, oh gosh, what am I going to do? Like my last 365 series. So tomorrow I'm going to be talking about how to build your first bug out bag, like how to build kind of like a starter bug out bag, either for yourself, friends, family, whoever. So I'm just going to be talking about the basics of that. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like my videos, please visit my website, and all links are down below in the social media and the Facebook and the Instagram and all that. Thank you for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.